Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. We're wasting time. Hello Hotties. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali Mack and I'm currently a 7th grade math teacher. So in this video, you're just going to see what I do on a typical Sunday. I hope you'll join me. Nobody's gonna save and oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Okay, so I got most of the laundry put away. It's like 2:07 a.m. I'm about to take a shower and unwind, even though like I said in yesterday's video, I literally slept almost all day. Woke up at 8, watched a movie, went to sleep at 10, woke up at like 2 something, went to Wendy's, got some burgers, ate, went to sleep, woke up at 9:45, filmed that video you saw yesterday. So now I'm awake and I'm trying to get some chores done. I do not believe there is anyone else in the world that likes pizza more than me. We usually get pizzas from Walmart in the bakery section, then I doctor them up. I put the jalapenos on the side for my husband and son, put some butter, cheese, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, onion powder, stuff like that. Hopefully it'll be really good because I'm really hungry. Look what just came out of the oven. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Just got all my laundry put away and I am hungry and I'm ready to eat. This coming up week is exam week. It's also the week before we get out for a Christmas or holiday break. So tomorrow, Monday, we are going to review for their tests. Tuesday, they're going to take the test and do well on it, hopefully. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to determine the surface area of different shapes. And I'm going to share with you the tutorial I'm going to share with them. The first thing you are going to do is write your name somewhere on the outside of your net or shape and color. This will be super important so we can all tell who created which ornament. The second thing you are going to do is cut out your shape. I suggest cutting outside the black lines. Step 3, you are going to predict what you think the surface area of your shape is. Step 4, you're going to record how many faces and which polygons are on your shape. The next thing you are going to do is get a ruler and measure the dimensions of each face. I also want to point out that the dimensions I'm writing down aren't necessarily the dimensions. I don't want you guys copying my work. Now you get to calculate the surface area of your shape and do this on this recording sheet. Now this part is a little tricky. You're going to form your shape into the 3-dimensional figure that it is. You can use tape or glue to keep your shape together. Choose where you want to put the hook and very gently press it through the paper. Once you have it where you would like it, twist the ends so it will not fall off. You're done. Time to hang it on the Christmas tree. It's a pretty neat activity, huh? If you're interested, I'll link the Teacher Pay Teacher store where I bought the item from. I didn't create this item, but if you would like to do it, it's down there. Or if you want to make Christmas decorations for your own tree, I printed out some for my own children to do, and we'll see if they make some. But either way, it's kind of cool. Alright, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below the Christmas tree or any kind of Christmas emoji. And as always, you guys have the best day ever, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.